Hi everybody, I'm Paul Kanan. I'm so excited to bring Take It From the Top to the Fisher Theater in Detroit, bringing Broadway to you. We are an arts organization that provides training and opportunity in music, in dance, in acting, through workshops led by professional theater artists. Our goal is to inspire creativity and confidence in young artists by allowing them to express themselves and learn and grow through the performing arts.
Hi, I'm Jessica Lee Golden, and I am so excited to be in Detroit this summer at the Fisher Theater with Take It From the Top.
Hi, my name is Eloise Kropp, and I am a teacher this summer at Take It From the Top at the Fisher Theater in Detroit. You're going to learn what it's like to be in the industry. You're going to be able to be creative. You're going to stretch yourself.
Programs like this are so important. I grew up in programs like this, and it's why I'm here today. It's why I have a career in the theater, a career that I love.
At the end of the week, you'll perform on the glorious Fisher stage. I performed on a national tour at the Fisher, and when you're on that stage, you just feel how legendary that space is. So join us August 5th through 9th. Register now at whartoncenter.com, and we will see you there.
I hope to see you there. It's going to be an incredible time. We're going to have so much fun. So join us. Bye.